Well, we're through customs. Everything's done, so just one of these left. We'll go with another donut. It's not a donut. I'm going for custard filled ones. So we're on the bus now to the train, to the actual airplane. That's unpacked. We're good fun. This could be fun, ladies and gentlemen. We're party boarding and we're the last in the queue. So, then that's going to go. There we go. Bye bye bus, thank you bus. We're going to have some room for us. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be taking off in some time in the future. Back to halfway down the airplane and we're back, so we're going to sit here, let everybody get off and then sort it out later. Right, ladies and gentlemen, are they ready? Well, it's raining in Blighty, ladies and gentlemen. It's raining in Blighty, what a surprise. But we're all here. There it is. Back to where I can understand everybody. Well, I can understand nobody, but I can hear them. Love this. I love the amount of bubble gums on the floor. Have you noticed, Paddy?
What's that?
The amount of bubble gum.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's got to be. So they just spit it out just before they go. Well, I can say it's definitely now the end of the holiday, because here we are now, coming to the exit of Which station are we on?
Stansted.
Stansted. Here we go. Look. So we are now officially unadulterated on British land. And now look, it's a bit damp. Feels a little bit cold. Damn cold. Not. John was right, you know. This is the damn cold here.